Right. So the uh, app that I have built is called TILO. So it is your AI companion for tile manufacturers as well as tile sellers. Now, this is one app, but I would consider it like many products packaged into one solution. So let's get straight into it. So this is the login screen. So I'll go uh, uh, in through this demo in such a way that like the user would actually use it. So we'll just sign in. So there are different roles. This role is admin role where we have all the accesses. We can restrict our accesses to um, like sellers or database admins, etc. I won't go much technical there. So you can see the main home screen where it's mentioned that file a tile by its image. Now, this is one of the core features of this app where you can provide any tiles, image photo of any tiles, and from your own catalog, it will find the nearest tiles which you have in stock or you have present. So, for example, um, we'll just take one of the tile images. Let's take this tile. Now you might see that this whole tile is taken from a different angle. So this is one of the feature of our app. It extracts the tile automatically and then provides the actual design of the tile, no, and not just the sideways photo of the tile. Now we just upload it. You can see that it is trying to match all the tiles from our catalog, and then it will provide the nearest tile to this. Now you might see we found various tiles which resemble to our uh, tile that I uploaded. Now what we can do is we can just open it and see, okay, whether this tile is actually resembling us or not. Now what we can do is we can also compare like whether this tile looks like the one that I provided or not. If yes, then we can uh, like provide this to the user or provide it to anyone we want. Now, here I have added 6,000 tiles, um, uh, like of different texture, different structure, etc. Let me just show how to add a tile in a collection. So if you want to create, let's say, a new collection, there might be different collections in your projects as well, right? Like different versions of tiles, etc. So you can all save it here. You can just write, okay, new collection, and you can either directly bulk import from your folder. Let's say there are 1,000 tiles and you don't want to add a single tile, or you can just create it and add tiles later. So let me create a collection here. So as you see, we can see a new collection here. Now let me add one tile here. I'll just name it tile 001. Tile 001. And I'll just add one tile. So let me just add, I have many tiles, but just for our reference, let me just add one tile here. So let's add this tile. Now, once you add into the catalog, what it does is, uh, one second. Yeah. So it starts taking all the information from the tile and then it creates a metadata for you. So it creates all the descriptions about your tile. What color does it have? What are some secondary colors that are present in the tile? What is the ratio of this tile? All of these are generated automatically via AI. So you can see we did not add anything in our description, but we got so much information directly through AI. So it has warm white color and cream color, which you can see here. It also had description like it's onyx-like design with soft cream banding and warm white background. So all of this is directly generated through AI. Now, uh, we have this tile in our uh, database now. Now, let's say if we just take this as our example, so you can see it automatically takes all the actual tile. So you can see here, the one that I added, tile 001, is present over here. Now you can directly compare it with our uploaded file and you can see the same. Now there is one other thing that is the main core of our app, which is the identify exact tile feature. Now let's suppose that you have the idea like that this tile is present over in our system. Then you know that like there might be different lightings, there might be different angles that this style photo can be taken. So let me just give you an example. Let me just show you one of the tiles that we had. Let's take this tile only as our example. Just a second. So you might see this. Um, So this is the photo of the same tile. Now you might see that this design is similar, but the lighting is off. Like there is so much going on in here. Like the area is dark and it's not even like there are reflections over here, etc. So let me just search it in this folder. Mm. Oh, yes, here it is. Now you can see it automatically takes these and what it does, it runs. So it will go one by one of our top results and check whether this is actually um, um, similar or not. So if you see, it will keep on going. I'll try to find out all the nearest ones and it will check pixel by pixel which one is the closest one. And if you see here, we got a result directly from here. Now stop. And you can see that this is the exact tile that we actually searched for. So yes, this is how we can add it and then search it directly from our app. Now there are various other features as well. Um, so as I mentioned, right, we have our own metadata that we create through AI. So how this works and what is the benefit of this is let me show you. First of all, it shows all the colors which are present in the tile, which you can provide it as a part of your catalog, or you can use our own catalog that we have created. Now you might see that all of the tiles that are present in the collection are present in this catalog as well. Let's say that we want a tile which is of only red color. So what you can do is you can just click the color finder over here and get all the red or let's say maroon tiles that you want. So you can see we got all the tiles which has this color, red color. Now let's say we want it with orange veins. So you see we got all the tiles which have these colors. Now we have various categories in here. Let's say we only want marble tiles. Now we only got two from the 6,000 tiles. So with these three filters about what we want, we got the exact tile that we required. Now this might look a little complicated at first, but these are all the intuitive filters that you can directly apply. So let's say if you want warm tiles, then you can click this and all the tile which have warm temperature will come to you. Now, here is like another pretty cool feature that we have, which is called, which is our own AI system here. So let's say if we want a tile which is, let's say, red in color, red marble tile with warm temperature. You, so what we'll do is it will automatically provide these filters for us, and then it will provide us this. Now let's say I put like, sorry, I wanted blue tile with uh, stone type look. Now, what it will do is it will perform another search and it will provide all the ones. I'll put, I also want a bit of golden shade with the blue. So it will perform these search again and then it will try to find it. Well, it did not find it, so we don't have it. Let's say if we did not find it, we can either undo or we can directly go to the previous state. So you see, we can search from there again. So these are all the features that we have here. Um, like this is just an app that I created, but the main uh, uh, MVP of this whole app is the tech that I have created for this. It has various trained models. It has various AI algorithms that you can see directly over here. So this can be directly connected with any websites or any other features that you have. And it can either, it since it is the tech that I have created, it can also be installed offline. So the data uh, uh, security issues that generally people have, they can bypass those using our own app, which is in their own servers. So yes, please let me know if there are any questions, and I hope to connect soon with you or listen from you. Thank you.